My name is Jeanette Messina, and this is my house. Welcome. It's beautiful thanks to the job that Cherry Creek did. We moved here in December of 2023, and this was a new build. Our outdoor space was still a construction zone. It was bare and raw and uninviting. I wanted something natural and something that was lower maintenance. I wanted a landscape that would flow into our natural hill country terrain. Giovanni came here, took one look, and he knew what he was going to do. So all the boulders and the rocks that you see behind me, Cherry Creek went out and they harvested them from my own property, and they made something absolutely stunning. From start to finish, it was so professional and cohesive. I felt heard. I have a garden in the back. One thing that Giovanni really wanted to incorporate was pollinator bushes. So a lot of the bushes you'll see with like the purple flowers and different color flowers around our property, those attract pollinators. I mean, he's so thoughtful in everything that he laid out around here, and I really appreciate that. Before we had Cherry Creek come do our landscaping, I would look outside and get frustrated. Now, my children and I and my husband spend most of our time outside. Like, our whole yard, our whole property is completely custom to our needs, our environment, and our wants. I'm ever grateful for what Cherry Creek's done. I walk outside with a huge smile on my face. It's our beautiful paradise here, and they completely exceeded our expectations. Thank you, Cherry Creek.